Welcome back to my channel where we dive headfirst into the fascinating world of English and untangle its many mysteries. Imagine this. You're chatting with a friend and you want to say, I succeeded in getting the job I wanted. But wait, is it succeed or success? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us wrestle with these verb-noun pairs that often lead to confusion. Now, buckle up, guys, because we are about to embark on a wild ride to master some of the most confusing verb noun pairs in English and leave you feeling like a total pro when it comes to using these tricky words. Let's kick things off with the dynamic duo success and succeed, which I mentioned before. Succeed is our action hero, the verb that gets things done. It means to achieve something or to be successful. Success, on the other hand, is the noun, the shiny trophy you get after conquering your goals. It's the state of achieving something or being successful. So, remember, I succeeded in getting the job I wanted is the correct way to say it. Next up, let's tackle another pair that can trip us up. Process and proceed. Process is the noun, the roadmap that guide us to our destination. It's a series of actions or steps taken to achieve a particular end. Meanwhile, proceed is the verb, the action of moving forward or continuing. So, when you're following a recipe, you're following a process. And when you continue to the next step, you proceed. Now let's dive into the detectives of the English language. Proof and proof. Proof is the evidence, the smoking gun that reveals the truth. It's the noun that demonstrates the truth or existence of something. However, proof is the verb, the action of demonstrating the truth or validity of a statement or claim. When you have evidence to support your claim, you prove it. And the evidence itself is the proof. The next word pair is also quite interesting. The words that bring comfort and confidence. Assure and assurance. Assure is the verb, the act of telling someone something with certainty or giving them confidence. It's like a warm hug that says, don't worry, everything will be alright. On the other hand, assurance is the noun, the feeling of certainty or confidence itself. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are on the right track. Then, let's explore a trio that can enlighten us. Light, lighten, and enlighten. Light is the noun, the physical phenomenon that allows us to see. It's the source of illumination. Lighten, however, is the verb, the act of making someone lighter in weight or color. It's like taking a weight off your shoulders. And enlighten is the verb that brings knowledge and understanding. It's like turning on a light bulb in someone's mind. Moving on, we have the pair that keeps us alive. Breath and breathe. Breath is the noun, the life force that flows through our lungs. It's the air that we inhale and exhale. Meanwhile, breathe is the verb, the action of inhaling and exhaling air. So, when you take a deep breath to calm down, you are breathing. And the air you inhale is your breath. Additionally, let's move on to a pair that protects us. Defend and defense. Defend is the verb, the act of protecting someone or something from attack or harm. It's like a shield that guards us against danger. Defense, on the other hand, is the noun, the strategy or action we take to defend ourselves. How about a pair that grants us permission? Permit and permission. Permit is the verb, the act of allowing someone to do something. It's like giving someone a green light to proceed. Permission is the noun, the authority or approval to do something. It's the official go-ahead that allows us to take action. On top of that, let's take a look at that can cause a stir. Affect and effect. Affect is the verb, the action of causing a change or having an influence on something. It's like a butterfly flapping its wings and creating a ripple effect. Whereas effect is the noun, the result or consequence of an action or influence. It's the change that occurs as a result of something else. So, remember, the weather affected my mood is the correct way to say it, not the weather affected my mood. Well, I'm sure that you are quite familiar with another pair that can give us a peace of mind. Advice and advice. Advice is the noun, the information or guidance that we give to someone. It's like a wise old offering words of wisdom. And advice is the verb, the act of giving someone advice. It's like a mentor guiding their student towards the right path. So, when you need help with a decision, you ask for advice. And the person who gives you the advice is advising you. And finally, let's explore a pair that can protect us from financial risks. Insure and insurance. Insure is the verb, the act of protecting yourself against financial loss by paying a premium to an insurance company. It's like buying a safety net to catch you if you fall. Insurance is the noun, the contract that guarantees financial protection against loss or damage. It's the safety net itself. When you insure your car, you're entering into an insurance contract that protects you against financial loss in case of an accident. And that's a wrap, guys. We have covered some of the trickiest verb-noun combinations in the English language. The key is to keep practicing. The more you use them, the more natural they will start to feel. So, let's make sure to start incorporating them into your everyday conversations and written work. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep exploring the world of language together. This is just the beginning of an awesome adventure. I'll catch you in the next one.